Welcome back to Motor Insight, your trusted stop for everything on two wheels. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Suzuki DR-Z125L, a lightweight off-road motorcycle that's built for fun, reliability, and confidence on the trails. Whether you're a beginner or a rider looking for a reliable second bike, this little Suzuki has a lot to offer. Let's break it down. Design and styling. The DR-Z125L sticks with Suzuki's classic off-road look, combining practicality with motocross-inspired styling. Its sharp graphics and durable plastics are built to withstand trail abuse, while the slim body keeps it light and easy to maneuver. Suzuki has focused more on function than flash, but the bike still looks aggressive enough to grab attention. The compact frame and narrow seat ensure better rider control, which is especially important for those still building confidence off-road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the DR-Z125L is a 124 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. This motor is tuned for smooth and steady performance, making it forgiving for new riders while still fun for more experienced ones. The power delivery is predictable, helping riders focus on learning technique rather than wrestling with too much speed. It's paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that offers enough flexibility for tight trails, small jumps, and open dirt stretches. The bike may not be a powerhouse, but it does exactly what it's designed for: consistent, reliable trail performance. Comfort and riding experience. Comfort is another highlight of the DR-Z125L. With a seat height of around 32 inches, it works well for teenagers, smaller adults, or anyone stepping up from a mini dirt bike. The upright riding position feels natural, and with a weight of just under 200 pounds, it's easy to pick up and handle. The narrow frame makes it less intimidating, and riders will quickly feel at home on this bike. It's an approachable machine that makes long trail sessions enjoyable without fatigue. Fuel tank and range. The fuel tank holds about 1.3 gallons, which may sound small, but thanks to the efficient 4-stroke engine, it offers solid range for hours of trail fun. Riders can spend an entire afternoon exploring without constantly worrying about fuel stops. The bike's efficiency is one of the reasons it remains so popular with casual off-road riders. Price in USA. For 2025, the Suzuki DR-Z125L comes in at around $3,649 in the USA. This affordable price point makes it an excellent entry-level choice, balancing performance, dependability, and low ownership costs. It's a bike that gives great value for the money, especially compared to more expensive beginner dirt bikes on the market. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Suzuki DR-Z125L. Thanks for watching Motor Insight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles. Until next time, ride safe and enjoy the trails.